Hi, today I am going to tell you that what we are searching in the intern of telecalling. So our company is Educlear Solutions. Earlier we started with the education sector, but now we are working in different verticals. So let me tell you first that what is Educlear Solutions and what our company does. Let's come to the Google and search Educlear here. As you search, you'll get our company, Educlear Solutions. The web link of the company is educlear.in. You can also see here, while scrolling rightward, you'll get our address and all the things about the company. So let's come to the website. This is our website. You can easily run in your browser and you can get to know that we are working in Educlear meditation products. Different products we manufacture and sell across the country. We'll get in detail in the same sector. Then we are authorized seller of Havells Electricals. We also deal in insurance sector. We do designing and elevation, 2D, 3D designing, interior designing of the homes, commercial, domestic buildings, factories, landscaping, etc. We are in hotel industry also with the name of Hotel Horizon. We have some courses for skill development of the students also related to home appliances, CCTV, AC, refrigerators, ROs, reverse osmosis, water purifiers, etc. We also authorized seller of Rio, which is a segment of Havells, Sri Cement, Jensen Locks, Aquaguard, which is company of Eureka Forbes, which is oldest company of water purifiers, Tesca Technologies, CP Plus in CCTV and surveillance, Pidilite products, Fevicol is also product of Pidilite. So we are the authorized seller of these companies in Rajasthan, Jaipur area. Then we offer internship and many courses to the interns and the students. Educational or institutional tours which we offer to the institutions as well as academic institutions. Other services we also deal in clothing sector, web designing, accounts consultancy, eMitra services, startup consultancy, etc. And we have a YouTube channel itself. This is all about our company, in which verticals we are working. We established in 2007 and started with a noble cause of teaching people, teaching students in educational sector only. But later on, with the expansion, we get involved in many verticals. Now come to the topic of the internship. It's related to meditation products. Now come to meditation products. As you come to this meditation products, you'll find 3 products which we manufacture currently and continuously increasing our list. First one is meditation chair. Second one is Iyengar yoga chair, and third one is meditation spinning wheel. Due to COVID situation, currently we are out of stock in Iyengar chair and meditation spinning wheel. But meditation chair we are continuously manufacturing and working continuously in the market. So we sell or we deliver the meditation chair across the country and searching intern for the same thing. Let's come to meditation chair and that what it is. So as we click on meditation chair, you get all the details about the meditation chair. Foldable meditation chair with Bombay dyeing fabric. So it name clearly dictates that it's a foldable chair and the fabric is of Bombay dyeing, which is a well-known brand of the fabric. 100% cotton fabric which do not create discomfort to the body while you are doing meditation. Heavy duty frame, it's heavy enough if you stand on it, it will not get damaged at all. Proper angle is fixed, you cannot change the angle, it's 92 degrees and fixed at the angle while you are required support to maintain the back in a straight position. You can come to the varieties. We have available fabric in 3 colors, light pink, shiny cream you can say, and shiny off-white color is there. Third one is yellow. This is fabric color. Same in frame we have shiny black and rough grey color. And seating size is 1 inch EPE foam sheet. It's a special kind of thermocol basically, and which does not press much more. It's dense enough that it will not change the angle while you are sitting on it. Come to the features, advanced features. 100% cotton fabric. 2 elastic belts are there to support your back and adjust the fabric according to your comfort zone. Height is sufficient, 23-inch height back support, so that your shoulders can also covered or can also be supported by the back. Easily washable, you can remove the cover, remove the EP sheet inside from this, and you can wash it and then reapply, reinstall on the chair. Dimensions and comfort zone is also taken care. Easily foldable and you can carry it anywhere. Heavy duty frame with powder coated color. Powder coating color is done to protect the chair from rusting. It will not get rusted at all. Perfect vertical support or vertical angle support. Motivation to regular meditation practice. If you have something to do meditation, then you feel motivated always. Your mind will motivate or inspire you to do meditations regularly. This is a special note for the chair, that it is not recommended to relaxing, sleeping like we do on sofa. As we lie on sofa while spreading our legs and forcing the back to relax, that kind of purpose, this chair is not much more useful. It will not give you a good comfortable posture in that situation, because as you force the back, the angle of the chair will get changed from 93 to more, it may be 100 or 110, 120, and that posture is not comfortable for you sitting. No cushioning at the back, 100% cotton fabric, washable, no iron framing at the seating place, it's only EP sheet in the fabric cover, no iron or solid framing where we sit over there. It's a special kind of thermocol in the fabric. At the back side, it's iron framing, but there is no cushioning or anything else, only double layered fabric and two belts are there, elastic belts. Yes, of course, it's best product for the long time sitting with maintaining your back straight. It's just support your back to maintain the posture of straight back. So this is about the product. Now come to the point that what intern needs to do. This is all about the product. Intern has the duty to make calls to the different people and tell them or describe them about the product, about the meditation chair. If that concerned person is interested, then carry forward that query to the order. Otherwise, after delivering the information, if he or she is not interested in the product, then you can leave the call over there. That will be counted as your successful call. Means it's not at all targeted to you to make the conversions of calls into orders. Not at all. If you are making 25 calls per day and you get 0 order, then also we are okay. You need to just convey the information that what is meditation, why meditation is essential in this pandemic even situation, and what is the role of meditation chair while you are doing meditation. So this is your duty to convey the information and just create the interest if possible, and if interested, then carry forward that talk or that query to the order status. Now the next question arises is that what will be the process to the contact numbers. We are not offering any contact list to you, but we are helping you 100% to gather or to acquire the contact numbers for the internship or telecalling purpose. So let me tell you that how you are going to search the contact number. Suppose you are from Delhi. Take a city that is Delhi. So what you need to do, just search out that meditation in Delhi. As you search it, meditation centers, you'll get a lot of names. You'll get a lot of names. You can see this how many of the meditation centers are out there. So what you need to do is, you have more than 8 pages, and if you are having, I think it is 20 to 30 names in this. So it's more than 200 contact numbers in this list. Names, first we find out the names in this list. What you need to do, we'll share you a blank spreadsheet, Google spreadsheet with you, and you need to fill the data in that. So first you'll fill the names over there, that Pyramid Meditation Center, you'll mark in that sheet number 1 Pyramid Meditation Center. Then all the names, 25 names per day. As you mark the 25 names in that list, or more than 25, you can write in the single shoot or even 700 names. We are not worried about that count, that how many names you are writing in the list. So as you write, suppose you find it out or listed out more than 20-30 names in that list. Now come to the next step, that simply search. This is Pyramid Meditation Center. So as you search this, you'll easily get the contact number of this. Here it is, 084470844018. So this is very easy process to find out the contact numbers, because as you are targeting for meditation centers, yoga centers, health centers, meditation trainers, yoga trainers, health trainers, meditation experts, experts, or you can say Brahma Kumari centers, or any other meditation or yoga, Raj Yoga centers. You can find out easily the names and then easily contact numbers, because these are public figures. These are very easily available to the public to be contacted them. So this is the way how you need to find out the contact numbers. And as you get the contact numbers, you need to call them and describe about the product. If they are interested, then convert it to the order. So this will be the basic or essential process is to be followed by any intern who is joining as telecalling intern to our company. So this is all about the internship. And this is the complete process and the system which is to be followed by the intern. Thank you very much. So this is all about the internship, and this is the process which is to be followed by any of the intern. So this is the total process. If you are still interested, then feel free to call at our company's number, that is 8239552000, or write us educlaresolutions@gmail.com. We'll revert you as soon as possible. Thank you very much, and we'll be happy if you are joining our team. This is all about Educlare Solutions. Thank you.